Hi, my name is Sophia.
Hi, my name is Sarah.
Hi, my name is Heidi.
Hi, my name is Mathea, and we are the members from the Action for Refugees team.
Learning about the hardships refugees face and the journey they have to endure
Inspired us to help the refugees and raise more awareness of this pressing issue.
Starting out with participating in an HKA yard sale to organizing 2 rice festivals, we've raised over 54,000 Hong Kong dollars and a lot more awareness in our school community.
In many countries like Hong Kong, refugees depend on the kindness of strangers.
For us to make it a practice to spread kindness outside of our community, we decided to start small and start with spreading kindness in our HKA community.
So we, the AFR team, are launching a new project called Action for Kindness.
Right now, we're all experiencing something new and unexpected.
During these times, we should show our gratitude towards one another and share words of encouragement.
And Action for Kindness will allow you to do just that.
All you have to do is fill out the form linked in your Student Weekly.
Tell us who you want us to send your words of gratitude or encouragement to.
Then let us know if you would like us to send this message anonymously or not.
And if not, please tell us who you are, and that's it.
Fill in the form from now till the 15th of March.
And be on the lookout for a message in your inbox from the 16th of March to early April.
You can either send this to a friend, teacher, parent, or anyone in our HK community.
A random act of kindness can mean everything to not only someone who had to flee their home,
But also to anyone in our community just like you and me. We hope you take the time to spread kindness and show some gratitude or some encouragement to brighten someone's day.
Bye!